What is up everyone, this is Team Noodles channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix iPhone brightness is inconsistent. It dims or get darker screen when its brightness at maximum. So before starting video, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. So let's start off video without wasting any time. So to fix the issue, first of all you just need to go to settings. Now find and tap on accessibility. Now just tap on display and text size. Now scroll down to find reduce white point. Then turn it off if it's on. Check if it makes any difference. If it doesn't work, turn on auto brightness. When it's on, it will adjust to screen brightness according to your lighting condition. So now solution 2 we have is restart your iPhone. So to restart iPhone, first of all you just need to go to settings, then tap on general and scroll down and tap on shutdown. Now just simply slide the power of slider to turn off your iPhone and then wait for 30 seconds and then turn on your iPhone. Solution 3 we have is set standard view. So first of all just go to settings app. Now tap on display and brightness. Now just scroll down and tap on view. Now select standard view if zoomed is selected. Then tap in the top right corner. Now solution 4 we have is force restart your iPhone, and if all these methods are not working, then again go to settings and now tap on general and now tap on software update, and if there is any update, simply update your iPhone. Now solution 5 and the last solution we have is reset all settings. Reset settings will reset all your customized settings to default settings, but none of your personal data will be deleted. So to reset settings, first of all you just need to go to settings. Now just tap on general and again scroll down and tap on reset, and now just tap on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode and now just tap on reset all settings. So that's all for this video, so just don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.